Of course, you know about the machine language adopted by the American Bankers Association. Standard, uniform, magnetic characters that make possible the first industry-wide electronic communications language. Let's watch each unit as it contributes to the total function of the system. This machine looks very much like the proof machines you've seen in many banks. The proof inscriber does the same job, but in addition, it inscribes the checks with magnetic ink according to ABA specifications. To the already imprinted routing, transit, and account number, the proof inscriber adds additional magnetic characters, the control and transaction code, and the dollar amount. After the last item has been inscribed, a total is imprinted in magnetic ink on a control slip for each batch of documents. This batch control slip for each package is inscribed with the batch control number and total dollar amount to aid in tight control of subsequent processing. This flexible proof inscriber can be set up to classify regular accounts, classify large volume accounts, commercial or other accounts, and miscellaneous items such as general ledger items and internal debits and credits. This kind of distribution is relatively simple from the operator's point of view, for she is classifying according to number rather than name. Now, let's watch a reader sorter in action. The checks are routed automatically to the proper pocket. Special pockets are selected for payroll or dividend accounts and rejected items. Every digit of every field is checked on the first pass so that invalid items are pulled out for corrections right at the start. However, the reader sorter's full potential is realized only when it is used as part of a data processing system under control of the stored program in the processor. This is the processing unit, the electronic device that takes over the paperwork. It houses the arithmetical, logical, and input-output functions and controls the entire system through stored programs. That is, a set of step-by-step instructions stored in the memory. Direct the entire system to perform the job desired. This results in a uniform manner of handling each transaction according to thoughtful policies of management, instead of having policies interpreted in many different ways. To realize the power of the processor, and in order to understand the integration of selected units into a demand deposit system, we must imagine the flow of information from unit to unit. The reader sorter reads information from the checks, deposit, and batch control slips to the processor. Here, the information is analyzed according to the instructions of the detailed program. All this is done with such speed that an instruction returns from the processor routing the check to the correct pocket while it travels mere fractions of an inch in the sorter. The information from the documents is first used to print a batch proof list and ledger control totals. At the same time, the information from the checks and other items is stored on magnetic tape, 350,000 or more transactions on a single reel. Here is the printer under the control of the processor, using information directly from documents to produce the batch proof list and ledger control totals. It prints information at rates up to 96,000 transactions an hour. These transactions on tape are then sorted to account sequence. After the information is organized in account sequence on tape, it is used to update or post customer account records on new tapes. During the posting run, the trial balance is printed and proved. It is engineered for growth. The modular concept enables capacity to grow through the addition of units as the bank grows. It is today's system engineered with tomorrow in mind, designed to help your bank help your community grow, and grow it will.